Hi, to set up voicemail on Xiaomi 13, we would need to open phone app first. And here on the top of the screen, you can see those three dots which we need to tap and go into settings. After that, you need to scroll a bit so you could see this voicemail section. Select it and now we can set up voicemail. First thing we can do is go in notifications and enable them by tapping on the switcher. And additionally, you can enable floating notifications and then select sound for your notifications, enable or disable vibration, and select to show all notifications and their contents on the lock screen, or choose do not show notifications at all. Now we can enable visual voicemail, but the carrier might not support visual voicemail. Here you can tap learn more and check about your carrier. And additionally, we can go in those advanced settings, and here we need to enter our voicemail number. So you'll need to select this tab and manually enter voicemail number and then confirm by pressing this OK button. And you can also change service, but in my case I got only one option, which is your carrier. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.